Welcome to Austin Eye.
You just had surgery yesterday?
Oh my God, yes, I can see so much better. It's amazing. They made everything so easy.
Mr. Patterson, we're ready for you.
We're going to take some measurements of your eyes before you see the doctor.
This measurement will help us evaluate your cornea.
This device will help define the anatomy of your eye.
You had lens replacement yesterday. How's your vision?
It's great. I can see to drive and can read my cell phone without my glasses.
We're all done. Everything went great.
Wow, I didn't feel a thing.
Our mission is to create an elite team to deliver the best care for people who want to see their best without glasses throughout life. For patients in their mid-40s and up, that means offering the finest premium lens replacement and premium cataract surgery.
Premium lens replacement, you will be the least dependent on glasses.
Perfect. That's my goal.
For patients in their 20s until age 45, that means offering state-of-the-art, modern, all-laser LASIK.
How was your vision after LASIK yesterday?
My vision's amazing, thank you.
We offer the most advanced technologies in vision correction surgery available in the world today. But what sets us apart is the exceptional team of ophthalmologists, optometrists, nurses, technicians, and staff that will make sure that you receive exceptional service from knowledgeable, caring, and compassionate professionals.
Light adjustable lens is a great premium cataract surgery option for patients wanting to optimize their vision.
Thank you for calling Austin Eye. How can I help you?
Okay, I can help you get scheduled for an exam.
How was your visit today?
Excellent. The doctor and staff were fantastic.
Thank you so much. Your office and staff are amazing.
We're glad you had a great experience.
Dedicated to delivering on our mission to help you see your very best. This is our promise to you, because at Austin Eye, our vision is perfecting yours.